All right, so when you're working in IGEMS, there's a couple of different file formats that you can save or export to. So let's take a quick minute to look at those and maybe explain why you might choose to use one versus the other. So if you head over to our IGEMS menu, go to the Save or Save As, you'll notice that it defaults to the DIG or the DIG file format. So the DIG file is the native IGEMS file and what you should really be working in if you're drawing, programming, or quoting out of this piece of software. But say you have other pieces of equipment, maybe you have a plasma or a laser and they have their own unique CAM packages, or maybe you want to get this geometry out and bring it into AutoCAD or Fusion or any other Adobe Illustrator type programs. In that case, if I go back up to IGEMS, save as this export command, and it's going to ask me here to select the objects that I wish to export. So let's just grab this one here, hit enter. Now here I can save as a DXF, DWG, SVG, or any of those standard file formats if I have a different piece of parametric or vector-based software that I want to use. So hopefully that makes sense. If you want to stay up to date on some more tips and tricks like this, hit that like and subscribe button below or follow us on your favorite socials. Thanks.